Welcome to our channel. How to set up Rockspace AC2100 Wi-Fi router. Unbox the router, take out the Rockspace AC2100 router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and user manual from the box. Connect to power, plug the power adapter into the router and then into a wall socket. Wait for the power LED to turn on. Place the router correctly. Keep the router in a central location in your home for better Wi-Fi coverage and fewer dead zones. Connect to your modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem's LAN port to the router's WAN port. Wait for internet light. Once connected, the internet LED will start blinking or turn solid, based on your model. Connect to the router via Wi-Fi or LAN. Use your mobile or laptop to connect to the default Wi-Fi network, SSID and password on the back of the router. Open the setup page, open a browser and type 192.168.0.1 or re-rockspace.local in the address bar. Log into the router interface, enter the default username and password, usually both are admin, unless mentioned otherwise. Follow on-screen setup wizard, set your Wi-Fi name, SSID, password, and internet connection type, usually DHCP for most users. Save and reboot, save settings and restart the router. Connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network and enjoy high-speed internet. Thank you for watching.